Man, guess who's back? Oh my goodness. I'm not about to do the grass right now. Man, your boy got problems. Your boy got problems, man. Check it out. My brake line is busted. You see that right there? The brake line is busted. Somebody pulled out in front of me yesterday in the rain. I slammed on the brakes. Boom. Almost got in an accident if it wasn't for my super duper driving skills. So I thought I was just having issues with the brakes, which I am. But the brakes, brake pads. So I changed the ones on the driver's side, got to this side, and that's what I seen. Man. So I went and got one. I'm glad they had one. I'm about to get up under here and look how much brake fluid I done lost. Wasn't any coming out yesterday, so I didn't really know it was the brakes. Oh my goodness. Nevertheless, I want y'all to ride with me. What's up, fam? It's Sweat with the Sweat Experience. And this is what I'm experiencing today. I gotta get in here and take this off. And take that off. And put this new one on. So let me get y'all situated up under here. I just want y'all to hang out with me, man. Ride out. It's a nice day. People cutting their grass. The birds is chirping. Let me see. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get y'all the best angle. Maybe I'll just get back with y'all. Let me take that off. And I'll get back with y'all. Let me see. Right now, I'm taking this off. Can y'all see me? Can I see myself? I don't know. Well, this is what I'm getting off right now, y'all. Since I'm back here, I'm just gonna take these brakes off also. So take these two screws off. This one and this one on top. Y'all still hanging with me? I ain't even got that hose off yet, but this whole thing about to come off, so. I'm gonna get this out and I'm gonna set this on I'm gonna set the whole caliper on my little box. I'll be back. I'm sure it could be an easier way, but I unscrewed this one out of there. But I don't know how to get this hose out. It's a clamp right here, but I can't really see. So what I'm doing is unscrewing this one right now, this one back here. So I done loosen that one up. Then I'm gonna have to do this one right here. Take that whole thing down and then go from there. Okay, let me update you, because what I done was accidentally hit record when I was paused and paused when I was recording. So I took this clamp off. This clamp, this hose goes in there and then this clamp goes on, bam, and this goes bottom of that, clearly. This screw right back here, I had to put that back on. That bracket wasn't moving. This bracket wasn't, and there's no need to take it off. So now I have to take this one off because the package, it comes with its own clamp. See, it comes with its own. The new hose and package has its own clamp. So I got to take that clamp off. Then I have to take this off from the back. Take this hose off from the back of the caliper. And we should be getting close. I'll be back. Okay, we got that clamp off. Now I have to take it from the back of the caliper. The caliper is actually all the way loose, so I can really set it on the ground over here, something like that. Hold on. Let me take it out from up there. I can really set it on the ground and then take this one out, which is what I'm gonna do. Okay, I done broke it loose. Now we just brake line off. Busted brake line off. Now start putting it back together. In the middle of all this, I'm changing my brakes also, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Take them clamps off right there. Make sure y'all grease them clamps up, because when you hitting your brakes, when this metal and that metal touches, when you squeezing your brakes, that's what you hearing. So put that grease on them. Make sure you grease them up. I'll show you. So I'm in it. Like I said, I'm just gonna take these brakes off also. And what some people do, I was looking for this grease that I had open from the other side. Some people take their brake shoe, take this brake shoe, put it on the front of this, and push it back with the clamp. And then, of course, the ones in the back, I have the tool for that. It's a special tool for the one in the back. So that'll work. That'll be sufficient on this front one. You take this off. Hold on. You take these off. Man, it shouldn't. Come on up out of there, y'all. I'm on. We on camera. Yeah, there you go. So you take these off. Put these on the front. And they just push it back with the clamp. See how they, because you push your brakes, every time you push your brake, these come out. So you got to push them back in because your brand new brakes won't fit. I'll be back. What I'm going to do is put a little grease on these clamps. You put them, I put a little grease right there. You're just trying to stop, you know, sometimes that's where that squeaking come from. It's not always your brakes, your calipers going out, but it's a little warning sign for that too. See, it'll snap right up in there. It'll snap right up in there, just like that. Both sides, it'll snap right up in there. Just do both of them. Get some good grease down in there. And sometimes you want to do it on your brake also, because this is what your brake slides on, this right here. So sorry about that fuzziness, but y'all see what I'm doing. And some people put it on that caliper, that bracket right there. Some people do that also. So you just snap them in there. Now, you can take your brake. This is that thing you hear squeaking every time you hit your brakes, because this is touching your rotor. I know I ain't got to explain this to everybody, but just slide them on in there. It gonna fit just like a puzzle. He should fit just like a puzzle. I'll be back. Y'all know I'm not the one-hand band. Man, I done got in there and got to it. That was kind of tricky to put on with that clamp, with that pressure hose. This look a little tight. It look a little tight, but it got a little, but it ain't going nowhere, you know. It do look tight though, but that's what I got, man. Had to get my grinder out and grind this part down because it wasn't fitting right. The other one fits awkward also, but this one was way more awkward than that, so I had to grind that off just to get it in there. We back. New brakes. New brake line. Pressure line. No, that's the pressure line right there. But let me fill it up, pump it up, bleed it. And we back on the road. And don't forget, never miss an opportunity to keep moving forward. And I'm out, man.